Hey, what up? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Sonic the Hedgehog running. It's gonna be simple, easy, and completely for beginners. If you're brand new at drawing in general, you should be able to do this. So let's go over Sonic running. Very, very simple. So you can use anything you want, by the way, as far as tools go. So let's get started. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve the front of the face here. It's gonna be kind of the front of Sonic's face. It's gonna be running that way. All right, doing good. Curve in, and then we're gonna pull up here, curve down. It's got that eye. Looks like a big gravestone shape, his eyeball. Curving back, down, curving back here. It's gonna be the bottom of the mouth. Now we're gonna go to the front and put that light bulb of a nose he has. So up over here, curve down, pull back. Alright, gonna go over here and find the eye. So his eye's gonna be right here. Dark space right here. Gonna go over here for his smile here, or his line over here. Could be a smile, or just kind of like a stern, like, I'm running right now. Go over here and put a triangle at the top of that line right there for the ear. Over here, up, down, up, down, curve, curve. It's more like another straight also for the inner ear. Let's draw the far side ear, which is another triangle. Also, like I said, don't forget, hit the subscribe if you like learning how to draw anything. Hit the subscribe button, click bell notification. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff like constantly. Over here, up, down. Continue to curve, right? So I'm gonna continue to go over here, curve for the spike, right? You can even make it a little bit bigger if you want. Pull back. Go over here on this side. Down. Down here. Curve in to the head there. So now we pretty much have his head. You can put another spike in here so it kind of shows some dimension, right? He has like, spikes behind spikes, give it some depth. Let's say a line here, and he's gonna have his arm. We're gonna give him his arms back here, over here. So down over here, his shoulder, back, back. His arm is like a tube, right? Curve down. Glove, kind of the cuff of the glove on this side, cuff of the glove on this side. Straighten it out. Draw his fist, so this will be his thumb area. Right here as well. Let me draw some lines right here. So he's got his arms back. Go over here, we're gonna draw the spike on his actual back. Right there, one. Gonna go over here and draw his stomach right here. So curve underneath. Pulling back over here, he has a tail, and it's gonna go up here into like another spike. Curve for the stomach area, and that's kind of like a discoloration of the stomach area. So we're gonna do something cool with his feet. We're not just gonna have his feet running. We're not just gonna have the leg out. We're gonna have, like, see this? So far we have like this floating Sonic, right, with no legs. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this thing that they did in the cartoon. They did a bunch of different things in the cartoon. You could draw Blurry Circle, and I think that's kind of what I'm about to do here. So I'm gonna do over here curve, and maybe make it go as close to him as you can. Right here as well. Looks like a peanut shape. And you could draw curved lines in this. Like it's like a warp, like a swirl or something. You can even draw like a swirl in there if you want. But that's a shorthand. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff, about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.